Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming service status in the T-Mobile app so you don't chase a carrier outage. Next, unplug the gateway from power and wait about 30 seconds. This clears temporary memory and forces a fresh boot sequence. While it's off, move the device to a higher, unobstructed location, closer to a window if possible, to improve signal. Once done, plug power back in and watch the LED pattern. It reveals whether the radio and backhaul reconnect properly. When a power cycle doesn't help, perform a factory reset to eliminate corrupted settings. You'll use a paperclip in the pinhole and hold for 10 to 15 seconds until lights flash. This tells you the device is erasing old configs. Then rejoin the setup via the router admin page or the T-Mobile app to re-enter your Wi-Fi name and password. Make sure to stay connected for the next 10 to 15 minutes so firmware and provisioning finish without interruption. To finish, run a speed test and check the app to confirm service restoration. This verifies both throughput and latency. If you remain offline, try swapping the gateway to another known good unit or test the SIM in a spare device and test near a different window to rule out local signal issues. If problems persist, gather device logs and the steps you performed. Then contact T-Mobile support so they can escalate provisioning or back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.